Welcome to MarineMax Maryland. Today we have a 2025 Scout Boats 277 LXF. I'll do a short walk through here. This boat's powered by Mercury Verado 200 V6 engines. It's got the shark gray hull color and the Grigio interior. It's a great boat for not only here in the Chesapeake Bay with its deep V hull and the way it handles the chop with the Carolina bow flare, but really for any boating location. It's a great family boat. We've got lots of seating for family, and of course the fishing features on here are second to none. Let's start from the back. We'll kind of work our way forward. Starting off with the swim platform, a very large swim platform. If you notice, there's no splash well here. So Scout mounts their engines to this rear bracket, and there's no need for a splash well. So you can get on the boat over here, and if your dock is over on this side, you can just walk right through here and not have to step over a lot of wirings or a deep bait well, or not a bait well, a splash well. Stepping in, you have a starboard side entry here with this door. Goes away. Got some storage here. It's nice to have readily available. Stern seat that'll fold out. This is your bilge down here. Fish boxes on either side, port and starboard. A bait well, you can of course put some bait in here, or storage for fenders and lines. Rod holders, places for your drinks. This is truly really a great day boat as well. Yeti cooler as well, with a pull out seat there with the Scout logo. Really nice touches. Got some storage there, a freshwater sink, more cup holders, rod holders, rocket launchers above, as well as this boat has the upgraded JL audio package. So notice these are painted to match that Scout white gel coat. Under here you have kind of a boarding door on your port side. Let's take a look at the leaning post here. Everything you need. Look at the stitching on this. The attention to detail by Scout Boats, I think is not the best, one of the best out there. Up here at the helm, you've got your Mercury binnacle, electronic start-stop, Garmin radio with your remote, twin Garmin screens. Note this boat does have the Seakeeper ride system, so that will replace your trim tabs. If you haven't experienced it, coming out, we'll show you kind of what you're missing here. VHF radio, place to put other kind of electronics. Before we go up in the bow, shot of the storage area, pump out head. There's a foldable ladder. Your batteries are stored in here, and then kind of your gauges down there. And right now we've got the filler cushion out, but you can take this up and of course fit lots of people around this bow seating in the front. These are removable, so the backrest can come out. Powder coated grab rails all around, storage underneath these seats here, and then you do have a forward seat with storage below, and we have two rod holder cup holders, and then in the front here is your anchor and windlass. So again, this is the 2025 Scout Boats 277 LXF. It's here at MarineMax in Graysonville, Kent Island. My name is Perry. Give us a call if you'd like to come out and see this boat in person. 410-732-1260.